If you're getting Epic Games error code 91, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into the game as fast as possible. This error usually shows up when Fortnite or another Epic game has a connection issue, a file problem, or a server-side matchmaking problem. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without needing advanced tools. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, do the simplest but most important fix. Restart everything. Fully close the game, close the Epic Games launcher if you're on PC, and then restart your console or your computer. If you're on a PC, also make sure Epic Games launcher is completely shut down from the system tray, not just minimized. After that, power cycle your modem and router. To do that, unplug both devices from power for at least 60 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for the internet to reconnect fully. This clears temporary network issues that can trigger error code 91. Next, if you're on PC, verify your game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, find Fortnite, and click the three dots next to it. Then choose Manage and click Verify. Epic will scan your installation and automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. This can take a few minutes depending on your system, but it's an important step because broken files can cause connection and matchmaking errors. While that is running, check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes error code 91 is not caused by your device at all. It can happen when Epic servers are having issues. Go to the official Epic Games help or status page and look for outages, maintenance, or login problems. If the servers are down, the fix may simply be waiting until Epic resolves the issue. This is why it's always smart to check server status before changing too many settings. If the servers look fine, the next thing to try is changing your matchmaking region in the game settings. Open the game, go to settings, and find the matchmaking region option. Switch it to a different region, apply the change, and then try joining again. Sometimes the region you're currently connected to can have routing or lobby issues, and changing regions can immediately solve the problem. If you're still seeing the error after that, close the game again and restart the launcher or system one more time before testing. A fresh restart after changing network or region settings can help the game reconnect properly. On consoles, make sure the game is fully updated as well, and on PC, let Epic finish any pending updates before launching. At this point, the main fixes for Epic Games error code 91 are usually covered. Restart everything, verify your files, check the server status, and change your matchmaking region. In most cases, one of those steps will get you back online and into the game. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy gaming troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video with more advanced fixes for Epic Games connection errors. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back into the game.